Forgotten username recovery failed on Freetrade Fix. If you've forgotten your Freetrade username, most people feel stuck. But here's the truth. Recovery is easier than you think when you follow the right steps. Step 1. Open the Freetrade app or website and click on Forgot Username. Enter the email address associated with your account. Freetrade will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset it. Step 2. If you no longer have access to that email, prepare important account information such as your full name, recent trades, or link bank account details. Freetrade support can verify this information and help you recover your username manually. Step 3. Check all email folders, including spam and junk, to ensure you don't miss the recovery message. Follow the instructions carefully and avoid submitting multiple requests at once, as this can slow the process. Step 4. If automated recovery fails, contact Freetrade support directly. Provide all verification details and explain the problem. Their team will guide you through a secure method to regain access. Once your username is recovered, update your security settings. Enable two-factor authentication and store your credentials in a secure password manager. This small step can prevent future access issues. Following these steps ensures that a forgotten username doesn't stop you from managing your investments. You can quickly regain access to Freetrade and continue trading confidently.